everybody, it's me Jessie with my mom here, and today we're going to show you how to create funny cute images using AI tools. First, go to labs.google/fx, and to make the Mona Lisa we go to ImageFX. Remember to be logged into your Google account.
It is also a good idea to have a trusted grown-up with you when you use AI tools.
First, we write our prompt. Our prompt is a funny Mona Lisa with a big smile. Now let's press create.
Okay, let's try that out. This takes a bit,
Yeah.
almost a minute I believe.
Okay, now we have our funny Mona Lisa that the AI created, but I think the smile is just too big.
Too big, right? Yeah. How about we just make it a smile, right?
Yeah, without big. Oopsies, nothing came up.
Yeah, how about we try some options here?
Yeah.
How about a frown?
Okay.
Okay. And maybe change this as well.
Angry.
Angry, okay.
Wow, she's super bad.
Yeah. How about we try different style now?
Okay.
How about
Handmade.
handmade? Let's change the smile. Oh, I hate that.
Yeah.
Yes, let's put the
Neutral.
neutral. Okay, let's try that. Okay, let's try that again.
We can see that the Mona Lisa is still very mad. So we can change the angry to surprise.
And neutral, maybe make it positive. Okay. And if you want, you can also change the aspect ratio here, right? So you can choose, say, portrait.
Yeah, portrait.
Okay, and just try that out again.
Oh, it's so cute! I like the little posters it has.
Finally, right?
Yeah.
So if you like it, what do?
You just download it, so we can press the 3 dots and
That's
download.
right? Okay.
That's all. So there you go, friends. You created your own cute image using ImageFX. All you had to do was type in a prompt and pick your options and just press the create button. Also change the style, and you can also change the aspect ratio. And if you learned something today from this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Goodbye!